Okay, this is the first lesson of Chapter 12, and we're going to be talking about line plots. So let's make sure your notes are open and you're ready to copy if you're copying. So we're going to be looking at line plots. A line plot is a visual display of distribution of data values where each data value is shown as a dot or other mark, usually an X, above the number line. A line plot is also known as a dot plot. Okay, when I do line plots, I like to put X's instead of dots above them, but you can do whatever you want. You need one big thing when you're doing it, you need to make sure that whatever you put up there, you keep them all the same sizes. So Javier asked the members of his 4-H club how many projects they were taking. The results are shown in the table. We're going to make a line plot and then describe the data. So there's a 2. We're going to put an X above 2. Then we have a 4, a 3, another 3, a 1, a 0, a 5, 4, 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and now we're going to describe it. So first we're going to say how many people responded. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 members responded. See, no one's taking more than 5 projects because 5 is the biggest one. There's one member that's not taking any projects because they have 0. And then let's look at the most. The response giving most is 2 projects. And this represents the mode. Okay. Now we're going to look at analyze line plots. You can describe a set of data using measures of center, as well as measures of variability. The range of the data and outliers are also useful in describing data. So, the line plot shows the number of magazines each member of the student council sold. Find the median, mode, range, and any outliers of the data. So I know that the mean, we're not finding the mean, sorry, median is the middle number. And if we go inward, see 3, 1, 2, 3, the median is going to be 20. The mode is going to be 20. The range is going to be 25 minus 17. So let's see, we have 25 minus 17, and we get 8. There are no outliers. Oops, I'm so sorry. Outliers, none. Okay, and now we need to describe it. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 numbers represented. Okay, and that's all you have to do because you did everything else up there. So it's pretty quick today.